Hey, how's it going? In today, I just want to do a super quick video on how you can turn your character creator character into your player character. And this is super easy to do. It's not 100% perfect, and we could make a custom animation blueprint for this character. But just to see how easy it potentially would be, is I'm just in the third person template, and I've just finished importing Camille, and she's appropriately clothed now, and I can go ahead and go into my BP third person player character, and all I have to do is click here and just pick her mesh. So her skeleton mesh is here. I've imported a couple of them. You can pick either one, and that's all we have to do, and compile and save. And when I come in here now and I hit play, oops, I gotta fix my window here. When I hit play, she is now my player character. She can jump and do all the things. Now she's running off of, interestingly, that the mesh recognizes her. The rig recognizes her pretty well. Her arms are kind of out there, but that's probably best to avoid collisions. And she kind of is running. So it might be possible to create her own animation blueprint, but I think this is pretty good just to start, you know, just to get going. And then you have kind of this fun character to play with. And that's all you got to do. Anyway, I hope you found this a help. Take care and have a great day.